I'm in Rockland Park right now, and the builders here just released lots for conventional and zero line lots. So we're looking at front garage homes here. Now I'm in the Glenbow 26 right by their office for Cedarglen Homes. I am in a walkout basement lot. By the way, they have some walkouts and level lots available. So please feel free to contact me, call, text, or email. I'd be happy to return your messages and your inquiries about that. Today, I want to show you a very special model. Again, walkout lot with a developed suited basement side entry here. This house has a beautiful layout to it. It is over 2,400 square feet of living space that is grade level and above, not including the basement. So we're looking at over 3,000 square feet of developed space here. Beautiful layout, open, wide. The kitchen definitely is a focal point, as well though as the huge deck that's attached to it. Plus, again, you can't go wrong with a walkout basement whatsoever. If you like the content in this video, subscribe. That would do me a lot of good here and a lot of help to bring you all the content that I do. Like this video, share it, comment below. Without further ado, let's take a look at the Glenbow 26 by Cedarglen Homes here in Rockland Park. Let's get going. Welcome to the Glenbow 26 by Cedarglen Homes in Rockland Park, Northwest Calgary. This home boasts a range of impressive features throughout its 3 floors. The suited walkout basement is a standout feature, offering a self-contained living space with a separate entrance, bedroom, bathroom, kitchenette, and living area. The main floor offers an open concept design with a spacious great room, a dining area, a gourmet kitchen with an oversized island. The upper floor features a luxurious owner's suite with a spa-inspired ensuite and walk-in closet, along with 2 additional bedrooms, a bonus room, and a laundry room. Other notable features include 9-foot ceilings, a fireplace, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a double-car garage. Please enjoy the tour.